Hi, welcome to this video. In this part of the video, we'll be implementing functions that we studied about in the previous video. We'll be solving this problem for functions where we need to create a function that takes two numbers as argument and returns the greater of the two. So let's get started. As we discussed in the previous video, we define a function by the def keyword. So we use the def keyword. Let's name our function compare. This function takes two numbers as argument. Let us define these numbers as a and b, followed by a colon sign, and then enter. So we need to return the greater of the two. So I can use an if statement such as if a is greater than b, what I can do is make another variable greater and assign the value of a to it, since according to this condition a is greater than b. If a is not greater than b, automatically b becomes greater. So we can assign b to the greater variable. Now when a comparison is done, we wish to return the value which is greater. But the greater value resides inside the greater variable. So we'll be returning greater. So this is how we create a function. Let's see if this performs good. Let's call the function and input two numbers 10, 50. And return 50. Let's rerun it again with two different numbers. Compare 14 with 5 and return 14. So this is how we implement functions in Python. Again, the care has to be taken that these statements are indented, so there is a space in between. And this is very essential for Python. Like I told you earlier, Python does not have curly brackets for scope visibility, and it uses these indentations to segregate the code. So this was all about implementation of functions. Thank you.